My name's Jamie.
My name's Jeff.
And where are we?
We're at the
My name's Raj.
Weta workshop.
Yeah. Subscribe to testingtoys.com.
ThisIsNZ.com.
What happened? We went to Macca's and they said 10. I had a 10% discount because I'm an employee, but everyone basically got scammed. Only this guy got the.
We just stand back.
There you go. Only this guy got the 10% discount. He got scammed. It was meant to be what 15 bucks? 15 bucks. He got charged $18.90.
Yeah, 10% increase, not 10%.
10% increase, not 10% decrease. So yeah.
Cool, kia ora koutou katoa. Welcome to your first day at Weta Workshop Unleashed.
Rock and roll, Ronick.
In the middle, lads.
3, 2, 1. There we go.
So our goal is to count every box in here.
Okay, what are you at now?
I don't know. Start.
A lot of boxes.
There we go to our next room.
Secret vault. And you go.
Appreciate it.
See all of our golden drawers that holds all of our ideas that we turn into movies. And then we have our big vault in the middle of the room. It is slightly open. We've taken out 3 movie ideas that we're going to show you how we make our movies with them. Taylor painted that by hand and I like to talk about nice ones. But I started one at least. Yeah. These are coming nice and close. It doesn't white, I promise.
G'day everyone, welcome, come a bit closer. Our crew are hard at work making physical effects, props, costumes, creatures, miniatures, vehicles, prosthetics, animatronics, sculptures, and much, much more. Or as we like to call it technically, cool stuff.
Here we have one of our different movies and one of our different workshops as well. We've got my department down there to hear and make. Come on.
Hey, get a shot on that.
He doesn't want to recognize me. Wait.
I don't know what it was. I just felt one like swing into my mouth. Yeah, true.
And if you're ready, it is right through those lines. Pick up our sculpting tools. 8.
This is what they're from.
Yeah, get that B-roll.
Thank you.
Oh, take a look at that.
How are you?
Dictionary like old for